In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for beginners. Think of this as your quick start guide to getting comfortable, confident, and productive with an AI assistant in just a few minutes. First, let's create your account. When you arrive at the ChatGPT sign-up page, you'll see options to register with an email, a Google account, or an Apple ID. Choose whichever you're most comfortable with. If you use email, you'll set a secure password and may be asked to confirm your address before continuing. If you sign up with Google or Apple, just follow the on-screen prompts to link your account. Take a moment to agree to the terms, and you're in. Once you're set up, you can log back in from any device with the same credentials, so your conversations travel with you. Now let's start chatting. You'll see a prompt box at the bottom of the screen. Click into it and type exactly what you want, then press enter. You can ask a question, request an explanation, or start a creative task. The clearer you are, the better the results. For example, instead of saying help with a resume, try write a short professional summary for a marketing coordinator with 2 years of experience. Friendly tone. Add any context you have, like your audience, your goal, and the length you need. You can paste text you want summarized or rewritten, and you can specify format, such as a paragraph, a short list, or a script. If the first answer isn't perfect, that's normal. The real power comes from refining the output with follow-up prompts. You can say, shorten this to 100 words, use a more formal tone, explain like I'm new to this, or add 3 practical examples. If something seems off, point it out directly. Step 2 is unclear, rewrite it with simpler wording, or fact-check the date and cite a source. You can ask for alternative versions, request a different style, or have it expand a section you liked. Iteration is your friend. Each follow-up builds on the last response, so you can shape the result until it matches what you had in mind. As you practice, remember a couple of helpful tips. Provide context up front, be specific about tone and length, and give feedback if the answer misses the mark. Avoid sharing private or sensitive information. And if you're using responses for important decisions or public content, take a moment to verify key details. That's it. Create your account, start chatting, and refine the output. With a few thoughtful prompts and quick follow-ups, you'll be getting great results in no time.